You know what? I tried quite a few programs in my trading journey, and some are great, most not so much. Endless challenges, handing rules, waiting weeks just to get funded. Sometimes it gets so tiring. Then I came across Wemastertrade. Honestly, I was very skeptical at first. They claimed there is no evaluation and start trading instantly. Then I thought, yeah, right, I've had that before, and because so many platforms were claiming that. But you know what? I just decided, let me just give it a try, and I'm glad that I did, because this one actually is different. Let me just break it down, my full experience with Wemastertrade, and tell you exactly what stood out, them gold, them great, and the real and the challenges that you're going to be facing here. Number one is no evaluation. You start actually trending instantly. So first off, the things that really grabbed me on this is no evaluation. Just imagine, because most of the platforms are actually known by the evaluation challenges. That means there is no demo challenges, no two phases that you are normally going to see on the other platform. No wasting time actually proving yourself. You literally get funded the moment you sign up and choose your account. And the amazing thing is that I have dealt with firms that actually takes weeks just to verify their performance on the demo account. And then, you know what they actually do later? They normally reject just because of very tiny mistake that they actually notice with your account. Now, with the Wemastertrade, I signed up and got my login credentials, as you can see, and was trading live with capital under 10 minutes. Is that not amazing? That is amazing. That means no stress, no pressure, and no waiting. Just straight into the market. For me, you know what that means? For me, actually, that is very big thing, because you know time is money, and the traders don't want actually to waste half time wasting. Traders normally hate time wasting. Now, the number two, the things that I love about this platform is the price is actually surprisingly so amazing, very affordable. And what I mean affordable is actually when you compare even to other platforms. Now, let's talk about the cost. A lot of instant funding programs actually sound good until you see the price tags. Just go and check and come and compare with Wemastertrade. Some actually charge $500 and even $1,000 just to start. You know that Wemastertrade is actually very noticeable because it's actually very cheap. Because for example, an account of 10k, 25k, 50k, 100k, or even 20k, and the pricing is way more reasonable. The most other instant farms are very, very expensive. And the best part is there is no Indian fees or trickery renewals. What you pay is actually very simple and one-time payment. Everything is actually indicated there on the platform. That alone make it stand out, because let's be honest, many platforms are designed to make more money from traders failing than from traders succeeding. This one feels fair. If you don't know, that is the first thing that you really have to understand. That's why they are putting two steps and all this so that you can fail. You buy another challenge, they make you have them make money while you are purchasing this account. One thing that I didn't expect is that they actually run a regular promotions and bonuses. This is amazing. When I actually joined, there was a 20% discount running. A week later, they announced a referral program and a cashback promo for consistent traders. Just imagine you are very consistency, you are genuine with the platform, then you just get rewarded for that. Is that not amazing? That's something I really see in the platform space. I feel like Wemastertrade generally want to reward its community, not just to collect sign-ups fee. It keeps the environment very fresh and feels that the platform actually celebrates your growth apart from other platforms. Now, the best part is local support that actually replies instantly and within the time. What we mean by local here is most platforms actually are very slow, robotic, copy-paste support replies. You send a message, then you're going to be talking to the robot, and you're wondering, is this robot really going to understand what I'm saying? Definitely not. With Wemastertrade, I reached out via chat and actually got a reply from a real person under 5 minutes. That's not amazing. That is something I don't get to see from other platforms. Now, one thing I really notice here before we just wind up on the customer service is that they're actually friendly, clear, even speaks actually my local languages fluently, and they say locals. When I actually mean local support, it means that they have regional teams. For example, if you're from Africa, you are likely chatting with someone who understands your market and time zone. People from Africa, that's actually a very big deal because they don't waste days for help from other side of the world. Because if you're chatting from someone from China and you are from Africa, remember the time zone is absolutely different, and you're going to waste a lot of time waiting for the customer service to reply. I think that is one thing that we must have actually mastered. Another big thing is account flexibility. Trade the way you like is the one thing. Freedom. We the agencies of rich people, many traders, they like freedom. And this means that another thing I like is actually flexibility. You know, you can actually choose how much capital you want, and there's an option that actually fits pretty well every style. Whether you are a continuous swing trader or aggressive scalper, the risk getting are very clear. The profit target are realistic, and you can actually easily scale up once you are consistent. If refreshing to find a platform that does not actually lock you into one region model, instead you just let you trend the way you trend. That's amazing. The freedom is actually what we really want with the platform. Number 6, professional trading platform. That is what you're going to see. Some of them, they are actually been launched there, and you're going to see things that are very shagalabagala. That is what we call in Swahili. That means things are really not orderly. Now, when it comes to this platform, it gives you access to the Meta 25, MT5, and Match Trader. You know, some of them actually limit you to a lot of platforms you don't even know how to use them. I know so many people are used to MT5 things. It's what I'm most familiar with, and I was surprised how quick the execution was. No lag, no freezes, no fake slippage. Because slippage is one thing that these people normally try so that we can fail our challenges, so that we can fail, so that we can continue actually making them rich. You can actually train on your own phone, your laptop, or even through the web app. The whole setup feels professional. Exactly what you would expect from a serial platform. Number 7, withdraw and payout, the most important part that you are waiting for. Of course, the main question every trader has is how easily can I withdraw? I haven't hit my payout target yet, but I spoke to 2 traders in their community who already didn't, and both confirmed payout were processed smoothly. I know there are some people who also just use the Wemaster. Just comment down below. Let me just know how long it took to receive your payout, because no high-end delays, no extra fees. They saying the funds hit the account within 2 business days. Actually, it's just going to happen. That's a green flag for me, and that's one thing that we traders normally try to look. The other thing is why I think this program actually works is because at the end of the day, Wemaster feels like a trader first program. It's not just another company trying to make money from field evaluation, because that's what many makes money from. They give you instant capital, fair pricing, and deal support, and that combination is rare in this space. If you're serious about trading but tired of jumping through hoops, this actually item might be the shortcut you have been waiting for. I like what they focus on helping traders grow rather than limiting them from endless rules. The community is active, the system is transparent and growing fast. For reason, let me give you my final thought. So Wemaster is perfect? No program is. But compared to others I have tried, this one checks most of the boxes. Number 1, for example, no evaluations, challenges, although they are there, but you know, you can choose any account you want, either 7K, and you'll be given the equivalent amount of money that you have to pay. Is it affordable? Yes. Affordable entry and flexible account sizes you can choose. Regular promotion and bonuses. In case probably, for example, we are ending Christmas session, we are expecting bonuses from. I have worked with so many of them, but I've never seen a program actually having bonuses all the time. And P5 and Match Trade actually matches all kind of traders, those who are familiar with the MT5. Transparent rules are there, and payout structure. So if you're looking for a fast way to get funding and start trading without all dramas, I'm saying try Wemastertrade. Give it a shot, and you will come back here in the comment section and tell me. It's one of the few programs that actually feel built for the traders. And the good thing is the Wemastertrade is not being launched last year. It not been launched like last month. It's a platform that actually been there for a while. That is the first thing that you really have to understand. For me, it's being one of the smoothest and simplest platforms I've experienced so far, and I'm playing money actually to scale my account even higher next month. As you can see, I have 50k and I have also 25k account. I'm going to scale this up and have mini account also and buy even bigger account. Wemastertrade, fun and fast and flexible, and for once it's not just as local. If you are watching this, ensure that you like, subscribe and comment below. Let me just know. And if you actually, let me just give this, make sure that you click the link in the description below or in the comment section. Register and start with Wemaster, because you're going to get a bonus specifically from me when you register to the Wemaster. And number two is actually I'm going to be giving out a free 10k account. So make sure that you do that. Purchase an account with Wemaster today. I'm going to be giving 3 people free 10k account when they just register to this Wemastertrade and purchase any challenge. Trust me, just do that. Comment down below, send me your details. You'll have your account within a few minutes. I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye.